First I'm going to be taking care of the pressure washer. I'll be taking down the bolts and assembling the wheels because I'm going to store it in my house. So, and the rest is going into a garage. But we're just gonna take care of the pressure washer first. That's it. Move these things out of the way. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this pressure washer. And ever since I bought it, well, I bought it in March, and I got it when it was in June, July. I know I waited a couple of months to receive it because of the whole pandemic stuff, but ever since then I haven't changed the oil, and that's something I plan to do when I put it in my house. And I read about the oils and everything. Maybe this week or this weekend I'll try to do that and make a video about it. There don't seem to be any videos on it on YouTube, so maybe that's gonna help people. Good. Alright, I'm gonna get my tools and start taking those bolts off. Took all of the bolts out, and this thing is frozen. Yeah, it's frozen. Thankfully I was able to take all the water out of the pressure washer and put some pump saver inside. Yeah, let me see how I'm gonna take this down. Okay, I finally got it down. I don't like these things. A little difficult to assemble and disassemble. Please put it on the truck, and it's kind of heavy. This weight like 150 pounds. So it's pretty heavy. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my house and then bounce to another place because I have another tank that I need to put here, so I can transfer the chemical between the two tanks when I'm storing all of the rest. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the reels off. I'm just gonna take it just like this, with the hose and everything. This is what I've been using to hold the rails into the wood. These are what, 1 inch? I think they're 1 inch. Or 1.5 inches. No, they're 1 inch. It goes right into the wood, and that's what has been holding the reel in place. Pretty efficient. Okay, I'm gonna take care of the other two. Right over there. Okay, it's off. This reel is completely worth it. Very nice design. There's little to no rust, at least from the outside. So the only issue is with the swivel here. It's not as soft or as smooth, but I'm gonna spray some WD-40 here in a while. Or maybe I just leave it like this and spray next season or this coming season. And tighten this handle here. Yeah. Now onto this one. Okay, so this is down. It's kind of heavy. Probably because of all the steel inside the hose. But when I received this one, this plate here, this wheel, it's bent, so it came defective, but I didn't bother with returning it because I didn't want to deal with the whole issue of returning it and then waiting for another one during the pandemic. Probably gonna wait another like 2 or 3 months for it, so nope. Okay. But this one got the most rust in it, especially on this side because of the well, we use it for SH pretty much all of the time. So, and the wood here, kind of this corner, kind of got disintegrated, but it's still good. Yeah, this wood, it's solid. I might use it for next year if I don't find a way to upgrade to the aluminum skid. I'll just stay with this. I'm not gonna be paying like $4,000 for an aluminum skid. It's no way. I just stay with this and probably do another coat of liner on this, and yep, I'll probably use it for next year. And whatever I have to buy at Home Depot, I'll just do it and get the wood at Home Depot. That's it. I'll probably be replacing this injector. This is fine, it's just some rust, but this line going into the bypass is busted here, so I'll probably be replacing this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna skip this one, which is going into the end of the pressure washing hose reel, but I barely used it because I was disconnecting my lines here and attaching it right into the bypass. So I don't really need this. I mean, a line going here from here to the bypass. I don't need it. So I'll probably use this one that goes into the pressure washer, into the and into the bypass. And I'll just close that one, this end here. Yep. Okay, looking good. This is not fancy or, but doesn't look professional, but it does the job. It does the job real good, and it doesn't weigh too much. And I see no reason to upgrade to a steel one. However, I would probably, notice something here. The hose here collapsed. Interesting. Okay. But for next season, I will probably, instead of mounting it like I had it before, I will probably put it like here in a corner of the truck, instead of having it like I did before. I think it's gonna be better. Let's see, what do I have here? It's rusted. These are screws, wood screws. Gonna get my drill, take that out. Oop, it's right there. Now I just need to reel all of the hose and store it. And next is gonna be the water tank. That's a 65-gallon tank, and I got it for a sweet deal. I think it was $100, and it's 65 gallons. With the Hudson valve over there, you can only fill it up to like 60, maybe 55 if it is like at an angle. But that's enough for my 5.5 GPM machine. And every now and then I run out of water, but that's okay. I don't need a bigger tank. Not with my current truck, at least. Okay. Yuck! Look at that. Tank is off. Gonna take this out. I didn't want to break it, so I just took my cutter and spliced the line here. Everything going from my from the tank to the pressure washer is 1-inch hose. From the barb to the hose, everything. Because we want as much water as possible going into that pump. So my next upgrade is going to be I'll try to do 1 inch everything here. So maybe I'll get more water flow. We'll see. Okay, so next, what is next? The chem tank here. I still have like 11 gallons of shock. I'm not sure how I'm gonna transfer that. Didn't have time to get the other small tank that I had. I'm running out of time, so I'll see what I can do with this. I definitely need to move this now that I took the water tank off, because I can't leave it there. Let's see, this 11, I can put 5 gallons here, maybe 2 gallons on these buckets, so 2 and 2 in the other one. Then I'm probably gonna have what, 5 plus 4, 9. There's gonna be 2 gallons left, or 3. Yeah, 3 to 4 gallons left there on the chem tank, and that's gonna be 40 pounds plus like 10 pounds for the chem tank. That's 50, around 50 to 60. Yeah, I can take that. I can't carry that. Let's see here. Oh wow, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Still, we're gonna give it a clean, a nice clean to this with the first pressure washer that I started the season with. Okay, so I connected my pump, and I did this thing here. I don't know if it's gonna work. I tried it the last time and it did, so I'm gonna be turning on the pump and see if this thing works. I have no idea why it's coming out like that. Okay, so all the equipment is off from the truck. Everything is right there. Hopefully it won't get stolen. I doubt it. Okay. Gonna take a couple of things off, maybe clear the leaves out of here, and yeah, it's gonna be it. I'm gonna get some water to rinse my pump, because that pump is still good and I'm gonna use it for next year. I'm gonna start with that pump, and when it goes out I'm gonna switch to another one, a backup that I have in my truck, and of course just get a brand new one as well. Okay. Okay, here it is. Everything is well, not really clean. I still need to power wash the wood, which I can do here because there's no water. And but yeah, it's just a piece of plywood. You can fit it up to the length of the bed of your truck. And here I have 3 beams of wood for support. And I did something here, just I think it was unnecessary, just so I could have more stability on this side of the bed or of the platform. And I did, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports here. Again, completely unnecessary. I think I overdid it. And oh yeah, I have 3 of these, just so when I'm turning or when I'm hitting the road, the holes or everything, it doesn't bounce or hit the bed of the truck. And I also have another support here, so this thing is stable, it doesn't go anywhere, and it's still working pretty awesome. This ladder rod screw me over because I'm losing like almost 1.5 foot. You can see there, it's almost 2 foot from like 1 foot from here, and then another one from the other side. So I'm losing like maybe up to 2 foot in length that I could have used like to put another reel inside. But yeah, this thing is solid. It doesn't go anywhere. Pretty happy how I set that up. And I screwed everything here with wood screws, of course. Nothing else. Just wood screws. I mean decking screws. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna take this to my brother's house so I can clean it, give it a night rinse. I'm gonna do something else over there on a shed. I'm gonna disinfect a shed that he has, and some of my equipment is also there, and I'm gonna clean that. And meanwhile, I'm gonna also clean these as well, the wood, the bed, everything. And then maybe later on I'm gonna also see if I can put a co-liner here on this bed, and after that I'm shopping for a hard bed liner so I can put it as well on this truck. Okay, let me show you the battery here, which I also need to disassemble. So it's pretty simple. I threw a red line cable from the main battery in the truck all the way to here. I think I'm gonna upgrade this and do another red extension up to the end of the bed there, and the red is going to the plus, and then there's a black cable, the negative, is going into from the negative side of the battery into the bed. So that's my ground. And from there I can just connect, just throw my red cables that goes into the pump, and I can just connect this to anywhere where I can have electricity, so like the bed, and I usually just connect it here. That's gonna be the negative. It's not connected to the red. It's red, but it's not. It's close to the negative. And I can just connect it there, turn on the switch, and I have my pump working. I have been riding this all summer on the fall, and I have had no issue with the alternator, no issue with the second battery in the front. Well, my first battery in the front is going to be the second one, and they all charge very well. No issues whatsoever. So okay, all right guys, so see you next time, and happy Thanksgiving to you all. Enjoy your time with your friends and family, and eat well, have fun. Thank you for watching.